Hello. Today we will talk about the sixth and seventh step of biological method. Sixth step of biological method is summarization of results. Seventh step of biological method is reporting the results. Let's talk about summarization of results in detail. Biologist gathers actual, quantitative data from experiments. Data for each of the groups are then averaged and compared statistically to draw conclusions. Biologist also uses statistical analysis. Let's talk about reporting the results in detail. And reporting the results is the last step of biological method. Biologists publish their findings in scientific journals and books, in talks at national and international meetings, and in seminars at colleges and universities. Publishing of results is an essential part of scientific method. It allows other people to verify the results or apply the knowledge to solve other problems. If you like this video, then subscribe this channel. Thank you.